Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 12C, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this XIAOMI. You need to begin by opening device's settings. Now choose About Phone at the top and tap on Storage under device name. Finally, click on Free Up, wait couple seconds, and choose Cleanup over here. As you can see, after that, storage of my XIAOMI was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!